Hello and good evening. Trade plan for 9th August 24, Friday. Summary of today, Thursday, Nifty expiry, RBI policy, 4 consecutive days of Nifty doing nothing, rising lows, no break above 24,350. Pressures continue to be on the downside with close happening towards the low of the day. Except for this yesterday's candle, this was another day where the close happened near the low of the day. Hmm. बुल्स हैं नहीं हैं बुलिश है बेरिश है so many people are confused. I spoke to a lot of people today, including the elite group. There was a good confusion. Okay, let me clarify in a broad manner. What is the daily trend? Bearish. Bearish. What is the hourly trend? Bullish. Don't look at these candles. And if you do not understand this, you need to understand how to interpret the trends. Okay. Um, Hourly trend is bullish. And why it is bullish, elite would know, but others I will probably give some hints in the trade plan tomorrow, 9 o'clock. Even if you draw the trend line between these 2 points here and here, you'll see that the market did not fall below this. And this trend line, if you see, extends back to somewhere here from where the bounce had happened. So this is just going to give you some clues on where the market has been and what the market has been doing. I'm just trying to see, extend it and see if there is any other evidence of a pullback from this level. No, I could not see anything else. नहीं यार, I think I'll just go back to the original zoom level so that we start understanding the trends. All right. There was an attempt to fill this gap up, but the entire gap was not filled. That means another evidence that it is not bearish yet. The first sign of weakness would be that this um, gap will be filled and Nifty will start trading below this. And then it has to go below the level here on 6 June, 6th of August, sorry. क्या level है ये? 23,960. And then has to trade below this level, 23,893. तो अभी bearish तो नहीं है. What are the finer rules? That elite group knows, but broadly I will tell you that in the daily charts and the weekly charts, the charts are Nifty charts are bearish. However, in the intraday 60 minutes charts, the index is bullish. However, in the last 4 days, the attempt, our key strategic level for us to get into some kind of a trade was 350. Remember, yesterday I had mentioned about this 24,350 level, and I said that there are smaller levels beyond this, beyond 288. 288 is the key level, and beyond this, there are smaller levels like this high, this high, this high, and this high. But broadly, 350, it has to cross 350 and sustain, which hasn't happened yet. So the market is moving around clueless. I don't know, maybe if you had noticed, the calls and puts were both losing premiums today and nothing was happening. So if the event had to make any difference, if the news had to make an impact, it should have made, because RBI governor decided to keep the rates unchanged. So market should have reacted. So it has nothing to do with the news. Something else is cooking. Remember, weekly and daily trends are still negative. It is only intraday trend of hourly charts, and third time repeating this, is positive, which means up move, if any, will face resistance at the levels I had explained in yesterday's trade plan. If you have missed that, please go and see that. I won't repeat it again. Same levels exist today also. My weakness would be spotted where? Okay. And if weakness comes through, then what are the likely levels? Okay, let me just see if I can switch on the indicators and pivot lines especially. Give me a minute. Hmm. Okay. 24, 100 and 23, 960 are support levels on the way down. 24, 100 broadly. Um, how am I reaching this level? 100 or 129 broadly, this level. I'm just making a broad ballpark figure of 24, 100. 24, 129 specifically. It has ended at 24, 117. So this is in a zone where it has to take a decision to move up or crack down. Okay. The fact that it got stopped out at the trend line is hinting that probably the move could be upside tomorrow. Otherwise, it would have broken the trend line. So broadly, I'm saying 24, 100 to 129 is the level where we can expect some kind of a support. And if this is broken, then the next target is major target is 24, 23,812, and the intermediate target would be 20, 20. This is the low, and the low is 23,960. If you see this, you can see it on the OHLC parameters on the top left, 24,960. So these are the levels where Nifty will move. And if Nifty has to, सबसे पहले तो Nifty has to cross 24,288. Then it has to cross 200 EMA at 24,311 as of now. Then it is to cross 24,350. And then the up move can go right up to the level that I had mentioned yesterday. Go and watch the rate plan. I'm going to repeat it. I'll make you work hard. So this is where you will see the upside moves. Okay. This is as far as intraday moves are concerned. Bank Nifty continues to take support at 49717, so there is nothing much beyond that. I'm not expecting a great up move there, and even if it comes, it will be sold off equally faster. So I would not like to be long on Bank Nifty, even if it gives a sharp up move, because that's gambling. That is not as per my rules. In my rules, if you see in the daily chart, Bank Nifty is at 37 RSI and Nifty is at 44 or 45 RSI. Clearly, Nifty is stronger index to trade on the upside. Even if it doesn't give me the desired results, I would stick to my rules. If you stick to the rules, your chances are you will be right most of the time. Even if you go wrong sometimes, you have RMPS to take care of your uh, situations where your decision went wrong. If you do not understand RMPS, you will keep losing big even after making big catches. So you'll get good moves, but in one day you will lose everything. That is where RMPS comes in. Nobody's right all the times. I'm also wrong sometimes. But I use RMPS as my emergency tool to take care of my losses. That's what matters. All right. What are the uh, top four stocks doing? HDFC made an up move today and was the key reason why the markets were kind of stable and did not break down. Why? Because Reliance did move down and had a gap down opening. This was Reliance for you. Same was the case with ICICI Bank, gap down opening and has closed down. Same with Infosys, gap down opening and has closed down. So number 2, 3, and 4 are giving you weakness. Only number 1 is trying to hold the market as long as it has steam, because the weekly and daily trends are negative. So do not be fooled that the bulls are back. If whatever up move you see, that will be led by HDFC Bank most likely, because others, number 2, 3, 4 are weak. It is only number 1 who's taking care of the whole market. Watch out. India VIX in the meanwhile is trading at where? It is trading at 16.64. Neither too high nor too low. It's in an indecisive zone. I would like this to play out tomorrow and see where is the first hourly candle ending tomorrow. And that is only for the intraday perspective if it moves on the upside. On the downside, we will get the hints at 10:15 a.m. When the 9:15 candle ends, we will know what to do. More in the trade plan tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock. I would really appreciate if you can like, subscribe, share, and comment on this video. This helps me in continuing to add value to you. Otherwise, I start losing my interest to give you my thought process. So please continue to subscribe, like, share with your friends, groups, um, networks, whatever it works. Right? Thank you so much. Have a nice day tomorrow, a green day tomorrow. Bye.